Dear students of Standard 9, welcome to Botany class. How are you everybody? Hope you all are well and safe by the grace of Allah. In this class, we are going to discuss the last portion of chapter 14, that is biotechnology, and today we will discuss the importance of biotechnology. Okay, and everybody, this is my last lecture of your first term examination. Now let's start the class everybody. Our today's topic is the importance of biotechnology. Biotechnology is the life science which generally deals with the study of living organisms. It is an application of biology and different other techniques to change or to modify products for specific human use. Biotechnology is also known as biological technology. Biotechnology plays a very important role in human welfare and has revolutionized mankind since its existence. It contributes much towards the human's welfare and their health need. Application of biotechnology is multidimensional. Okay, everybody, a few important applications have been discussed below. Genetically modified crop, that means GMO, are the latest advancement in the agricultural field. These crops result from the alternation in the genetic makeup of the crops. These modifications leads to a number of advantages in the crops, which includes first one is in developing crops. Insect resistant varieties of crops have been developed by this technology through the entrance of the gene of Bacillus thuringiensis. That means everybody see this word Bt cotton. Here Bt means Bacillus thuringiensis, B for Bacillus and T for thuringiensis bacteria. Genetically modified crops like Bt cotton, Bt corn has been developed in the same way Bt rice produce. These crops are resistant to human insect under Lepidoptera and Coleoptera orders. By using this technology, virus-resistant varieties of crop have been developed. For instance, by transferring the genes tobacco mosaic virus, tobacco, tomato mosaic virus and tobacco mild gene mosaic virus resistant variety of crop have been developed. Other than the variety of papaya that is resistant to ring spot virus has been developed. Research being carried out for the development of late blight resistance variety of potato by transferring late blight fungus resistance gene varieties of corn and cotton tolerant to herbicide have been produced by genetic modification. Transferring CP, that means core protein gene from tomato mosaic virus to the tobacco plant, it has been observed that in these plants TMV, that means tobacco mosaic virus infection, occurs in small quantities and at very late stage. Then in case of animal, in the livestock, for example, transfer of the protein C gene has been done to create the protein in cow milk. Through this, still at research level, through genetic modification, genetic changes have been accomplished with sheep by transferring the growth hormone producing gene from human being to it with the view of increasing its size and meat production to improve the amount of quality of the sheep's fur to bacterial gene, that is CIS, that means CYSE and CISM have been transferred to the genomes of sheep fur. Now number 3, in improvement of fishing. Transfer of the growth hormone gene of salmon fish through genetic modification to catfish, common carp, Leuca fish, Nilotica can increase the size of the fish by near about 60%. In healthcare, hepatitis B virus vaccine interferon is being produced from yeast through genetic modification. From genetically modified E. coli bacteria and yeast, insulin is being commercially produced for the treatment of diabetes by using this gene, which produces insulin in the human body. The human growth hormone and components of the stimulant for accelerated growth of granulocyte macrophage colony are being produced from genetically modified E. coli bacteria and yeast, and these are being used to dwarfism, viral disease, cancer, AIDS, and also some dangerous diseases. By applying biotechnological knowledge, several important hormones now being produced commercially, which includes insulin, thyroxine, interferon, etc. Deficiency of these hormones in human body may create different complications. That is, deficiency of insulin causes diabetes. Insulin is an important human hormone, which is the smallest simple protein consisting of 51 amino acids. It is produced by the beta cells of islets of Langerhans in the pancreas, and it regulates the amount of glucose in blood. Deficiency of this hormone creates diabetes. Diabetes is controlled by applying insulin from outside by the injection. So for this reason, insulin has become easily available at present, and its side effects have been avoided. Vaccines are generally produced by using dead bacteria, virus, or antigens. It is costly and sometimes may be unsafe. Recently, vaccines are prepared by using biotechnological methods which are completely safe and cheap. Vaccines for hepatitis, malaria, polio, tuberculosis, smallpox, etc. are at present produced in this process. Now for the environment management. The area of petroleum industry and refinery and coal mining are being made free from pollution because this technology is being used to make the environmental management easy and fast, such as environment of industrial wastes and sewage. Dr. M.K. Chakraborty, by performing research on genetic engineering, has developed a variety of Pseudomonas bacteria which is able to disintegrate oil and hydrocarbon in any environment. Our civilization is progressing very fast. Industrialization and urbanization are closely associated with development as well as progress of civilization. Due to various development and industrial activities, our environment is getting polluted day by day, which is a threat for the future existence of human community. To maintain equilibrium of environment by keeping the environment pollution free through the planned and limited utilization of natural resources is known as the environment management. Okay everybody, by this way, biotechnology plays an important role in our environment and also in our welfare. Okay everybody, today up to this, thank you.